Hello, it's February. I like to crochet, 2 and 2 together. Valentine's crochet projects. I've come up with a little list of things that you could make for yourself, a partner, or like a Valentine's friend project. I have made a Pinterest board, so if you want me to make it public, I will. These like are kind of like beginner to more intermediate projects. I need help deciding which ones I want to do. The first thing that you could make, I've seen these in so many places. I'm not quite sure how you do it. There are loads of tutorials on TikTok I saw. They're like these heart-shaped earmuffs, and February's cold and my ears always get cold, and I don't know about you, but if you've got like piercing, it always makes like the inside of your ear really cold. I kind of want a pair, to be honest. I also saw this top, seriously like yummy. I just love the fact that the heart is so perfect in the center, and then it kind of all like bursts out from there. Colors, because I really like the combination of pink and red together. Granny square long cardigan. I mean, you probably need about a month to make it, so unless you've got like so much time between now and Valentine's Day, you could make it in theory. Not normally a fan of pastel colors, but this one is like, I saw these mittens, not these are just my hands, but they got little ducks on them with little bows, and I thought they were so cute. I've got little owl mittens myself that someone made for me. This is kind of an obvious, a flower bouquet. Oh, so cute. And honestly, even just for like your room on the side. I've seen a lot of like this tapestry crochet going on, and this like, it's not particularly Valentine's themed, but it's got flowers on it, and I was like, if you did like a tapestry roses flower crochet thing, I feel like that could be really quite cute. And like again, this scarf is tapestry crochet and it's red and pink combinations, so of course I was gonna throw it in. I've done these before, and it's just like this little crochet bow which you make from literally just chaining a chain, and then you can tie it into a bow around your hair. I recommend doing this because you can add it to like literally anything. I've got them tied on the back of my jeans to hold them. I saw this and I was like, this is actually the cutest little thing. It's like this dash hound tapestry crochet scarf. I've seen these pillows in stars everywhere, but this is the first time I've seen it in a heart, and I thought that would be really cute to do, and you could stuff it with like old clothes or something. I really like this red and pink striped scarf as well. If you want to do like a quick project, you could make a little chain of hearts, like a little garland. I think that would be really cute. You could put that up in your room or give it to a friend or something. Obviously these beanies have stars on them. If you put hearts on them around it, that would be really cute. You could probably buy a beanie and then crochet little hearts and stitch them to the beanie. That could be quite cute. This heart scarf is really cute as well. I feel like I've had something like this when I was a kid. I see these trousers every single year around this time, and I've wanted to make them for years. These granny square trousers, which in theory should be really simple, and I'm sure you can find a pattern for them somewhere, and I really want to make them, and I always come up to about February and I'm like, I really want to make them about now, and I never do. And I don't think I'm gonna have time this year either, so maybe next year. These gloves are so cute. They're knitted obviously, but I reckon you could crochet them too. They've just got like a little red heart in the center of the green. I love the red and green combination as well. I think that's really yum. This bag is really nice. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's the color combination of how like neutral it is, but also it's kind of interesting. Again, I saw this like star headband thing, but you could always change them out for hearts. I don't know why I need to keep reminding you what a heart looks like. Long sleeve knit top with like a star in the middle could be exchanged for a heart. I think this is quite Valentine's-y. It's like probably quite quick to knit up, to crochet up as well, and the pink is like, I never used to like pink, but recently I've like adopted the lifestyle. I've seen these scarves everywhere. They've got bows on the end of like the pink scarf, and I think that's so nice. You could do different shapes though. This top has come up a lot as well. I think the heart's like a cutout on the back, and then last but not least, there are like these several different heart blankets, and I really want to make one, and I feel like it's something you could have all year round rather than just this time. And I kind of want to like decorate this area because it's quite plain at the moment, and I'm thinking maybe that's what I need to do. But yeah, hopefully there are some ideas in there that you can use. Let me know which one's your favorite, and if you make any, make sure you share your pictures with me. I would love to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.